Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you make informed trading decisions. Today is November 12th, 2024, and Apple stock, APL, is currently trading at $224.23. Let's dive into the news first to see what's driving the market sentiment around Apple. Recent headlines suggest mixed sentiments surrounding Apple. While some analysts are bullish on AAPL's prospects following new product releases, others have expressed concerns about iPhone 16 sales reports. TipRanks has issued a buy rating for Apple based on technical analysis, citing bullish signals from indicators like the MACD and Williams %R. While Wall Street analysts maintain a moderate buy consensus with an average price target of $245.68, implying an 8.25% upside potential. However, Jefferies has downgraded Apple to hold from buy, citing concerns about the company's future growth prospects. Now, let's shift our focus to the chart data and see what it reveals. Looking at the daily chart of Apple, we can see a strong uptrend over the past few months, with the price steadily climbing from around $170 to its current level. The recent price action suggests some consolidation after reaching a high of $225.70, indicating potential for a short-term pullback. Key support levels to watch are around $215 and $200, while resistance levels are near $230 and $240. The volume activity suggests a significant amount of interest in Apple, with high volumes accompanying both price rises and falls. The high volume activity suggests that the price movement is likely driven by institutional investors. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price has been trading sideways for the past few hours. The consolidation pattern suggests that the bulls and bears are currently in a tug-of-war. However, the price is still holding above the 200-hour moving average, indicating that the bulls are still in control. If the price breaks below the 200-hour moving average, it could be a sign that the bears are gaining momentum. Let's examine the 15-minute chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that the price has been trading in a narrow range for the past few hours, suggesting a lack of clear direction. The low volume activity indicates that there's not a lot of interest in Apple at the moment. However, the price is still holding above the 200-period moving average, suggesting that the bulls are still in control, albeit with a weaker grip. This could be a sign of a potential breakout to the upside. Let's look at the 1-hour chart again, this time focusing on the past 24 hours, to see how the price has moved. Over the past 24 hours, the price of Apple has seen a significant increase, breaking above the $225 resistance level. This suggests that the bulls are gaining momentum and could be looking to push the price higher. The volume activity has also increased, indicating that investors are taking notice of the price movement. This could be a sign of a breakout to the upside. If the price continues to break above the $225 level, it could be a sign of a larger move to the upside, potentially towards the next resistance level at $230. It's important to note that the current market environment is highly volatile, and AAPL's price could fluctuate significantly. We'll be watching closely for any signs of a breakout or breakdown on both the daily and hourly charts. In conclusion, the recent news and chart data point to a potential bullish scenario for Apple in the short term. Key price levels to watch include support at $215 and $200 and resistance at $230 and $240. If the price breaks above the $225 resistance level, it could be a sign of a larger move to the upside. However, if the price breaks below the 200-hour moving average on the hourly chart or falls below the $215 support level on the daily chart, it could be a sign that the bears are gaining momentum. Ultimately, the direction of the price movement will depend on the news and events that unfold, as well as the actions of investors. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to monitor the news and chart data for Apple and provide you with the latest updates.